First fish in the new boat, Georgie.
Ripper.
Yeah, good. Everywhere, it's so frustrating. Georgie's on surface, I'm just using a grub. So we've got the live whale, so we're going to chuck him in the live whale.
What is it? Oh my god! Got a min coat, I'm going to try and drive.
Oh my god, I was going to put the net in too.
You haven't got a net, have you?
No. Oh, it's a bass, stonker. Oh. Insane.
Oh, he's hooked pretty good.
Oh, insane. On the... How good. Go. What happens if we fill this fish? Is it a redfin? Huzzah!
He's taking line.
Oh, look out. He's on here.
A little bit loose.
Oh, what's he done? He's donged it in the side of the head. Oh, George.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
He was a ripper!
Oh, no.
Oh no!
When I see
He was
it,
the biggest bass for a mile!
Oh, no. Oh, no.
We need a net.
Bo? You're good luck, Robbo.
Yeah, they bloody bastards snapping into the... Are we putting him back or are we going to... Oh, yeah, but it overflows into the boat. Yeah, we'll just...
Now, this is the best session I've ever had in my life. They're good for the first inhale, but then they just make you... Now the ready on the placky.
Yeah, on? It's got to be a redfin.
Ah, bass.
Yeah.
Troll.
You catch bigger fish.
Yeah, exactly. No, you catch more of them. It's got nothing to do with the size.
Not one of mine in there, that's for sure.
How many's in there? 6, 7.
Put the pump on and keep the water going on them.
He's only at 30, yeah.
This way.